Hello everyone, today I will explain topic 20.3 iterators. Okay, let's start our lesson. Iterator interface. What is this? Iterator is an interface that belongs to a collection framework. It allows you to traverse the collection, access the data elements, and remove the data elements of the collection. Java iterator methods for each remaining. It performs the action on each of the elements until and unless all the elements have been processed, also until an exception is thrown by the action. Has next method. This returns a true value if high number of elements are encountered during the iteration. Next method. This method removes the current element, throws illegal state exception if an attempt is made to call remove that's not preceded by call to next. Remove. This returns a true if the iteration has more elements. Now I will show you example. Okay, let's start it. Let's create a list with names. It's also string. Names. New array list. New array list. Names add. Now we will add elements like name Alia. Okay, let's create iterator. Iterator string iter names iterator. Now I will use all of methods. Let's start with method for each remaining. Iter for each remaining. System out println. Okay. Now I will use method has next. Iter has next. And the method string next. Iter next. System out println next. Okay. Now remove method if Yilnaz equals object next iter remove. This is our output. This is our code. Okay, now I will explain list iterator interface. List iterator in Java is an iterator that allows users to traverse through the collection in both directions. It contains following methods: has previous and previous. Returns true if the has a previous element, otherwise return false. Returns the previous element. No such element exception is thrown if there is not a previous element. Next index and the previous index. Returns the index of the next element if there is not next element. Returns the size of the list. Return the previous index. Returns the index of the previous element if there is not a previous element. Returns -1. Add method. The add method, which is, as the same suggests, allows us to add an element before the item that would be returned by next and after the one returned by previous. Set lets us replace the element that was returned in the call to next or previous. Okay, let's do list iterator. List iterator. String. I will call just list. Names. List iterator. Okay, I will show you has next. Has next. Has next. String. Let's call it with next. With next. With next. Names. Get. List. Next index. String next. If alia equals next list set swap it. Okay. List add Karina. While list has previous, string. Okay, let's call it just next. List previous index, string, string previous equal list previous. System out println previous. Sorry. Okay, that's all. This is our has next method, and has next method. This is our next index method. This is set method. This is add method. This is has previous method. This is previous method and previous index method. Okay, let's run it. This is our output. That's all. Thank you everyone for watching.